Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your account on Bambee HR. To do so, follow some simple steps which I'm going to show you. Firstly, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in Bambee HR login. And as the search result, you can see in the first option, the website of Bambee. Click on the link, or you can type in app.bambee.com, and over here you can see the login portal of Bambee. Over here, enter your email address of the account to log in. Once you do that, in the password section, enter your password. To confirm your password, you can click over here in the show button. Once you do that, click on login button. You will be logged into your Bambee HR account. And in case if you guys forgot your password, you can click here forgot password to recover it. And if you guys face any problem while logging in, you can call on this number below here for your assistance. So this much for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.